G'day CNC warriors, welcome back to the Tech Center of Iscar, and today we're going to have a look at small things. I mean smaller tools. Today we're going to talk about the Nan. No, it's not my grandma, but we're going to talk about the Nanmill. Nan coming from the word nano, tiny. Let's have a look. Well, it's been here the whole time. Look how small that is. That is the world's smallest carbide insert. Generally, when you wanted to do a smaller cavity or get in a tight spot, you used a solid carbide end mill. But with the Nanmill, now you can go to an indexable cutter. These inserts feature a very positive radial and axial rake, while also including a wiper, which gives a really excellent surface finish. So now you can match the performance of a solid carbide end mill. These are available in 8mm and also 10mm sizes. And with the 10mm, there are 3 flutes. The more number of flutes, a high material removal rate, but at much cheaper cost. You must be thinking, Mal, how do I work with such a small insert? Well, the Iscar engineers have thought about it all. This features a very clever clamping technology where there is no folding parts. You don't need to remove the screw completely. Iscar engineers have included a magnetic boss to the key, which makes changing the insert an absolute breeze. Check it out. Since there is no holes going through the insert, the core of the cutter is very strong. So when you think about it, you've got an inserted cutter that's going to give you the high metal removal rate of a solid carbide cutter at 1/5 the cost. It's a no-brainer, isn't it? To know more about these cutters, talk to your local rep or just call me. So let's watch this in action in our Tech Center now. Thanks for watching, and with Nanmill, we say no to slow when it comes to machining. Call me on my cell phone. No? So since there is no holes through the insert, the core is very strong. Call me about the Nan. No, not about my Nan.